Welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Maya Leia, and today I'm doing my everyday makeup routine. Now, on a daily basis, I don't wear makeup every day, but if I did, this is the makeup look that I would do. Before we get into the video, I just want to say I do my eyebrows off camera. If you would like to see that video, it will be in the corner right here. Just click on it, watch it, and then continue this video. First thing I'm gonna do is eyes, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy in the shade 38 in Medium Tan Neutral. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my eyelid. And this is close to like my actual skin tone, like my actual skin shade, so it looks more natural. Now I'm gonna take this beauty blender, and I cut mine in half, so it's 2 in 1. And then I'm just gonna spray it with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Lovecraft Beauty Palette, and I'm gonna go in the shade Saniva, the one in the middle, using a crayon case or one brush. And I'm just gonna take this and apply it all over my eyelid. And this just gives my eyes a warm look to them. On my eyelid, I'm gonna be using the Ofra blush in the shade Chameleon or Chameleon. Chameleon or Chameleon, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is the blush that I'm using. And I'm just gonna use that same brush that I used. For mascara, I'm using the Level Up Mascara by Sharon C. And I'm just applying a light coat of this because I am going to be wearing lashes. So I just finished my mascara, and I'm going to be doing lashes last after I do everything else. But moving on to face, I'm using the Beauty Blender Opalescence Primer, my go-to primer. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and just apply it all over my face. Next is foundation, and I'm using the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie in the shade TG7. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my face. I'm taking this small flat brush right here. Now I'm going to use that same beauty blender in the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I'm going to spray my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend out the foundation. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in 35 in Medium. I'm going to be putting this mostly under my eyes. Then I'm going to apply some on my chin and my forehead, and then my nose. And I'm going to blend that out using the Vasanti Concealer Buffer. And I'm also going to spray that with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. In the beauty blender that I used to blend out my foundation, I'm just gonna go over the lines the concealer made just to make it look more seamless. And next, to set my face, I'm going to use banana powder, and I'm just gonna set my face everywhere I put concealer. And I'm gonna set that using the BMX 265 Glow Brush. I'm gonna go in with my Inglot powder puff, and I'm gonna press the powder into the concealer under my eyes. Now I'm gonna gently set my face using the excess that's on the powder puff. Now for contour, I'm going back in with my Lovecraft Beauty palette, and I'm using my Firma 103 brush in the shade Aditya. Now I'm using the Fara 204 brush for nose contour, and I'm using Saniva in the same Lovecraft Beauty palette. And I blend this all the way into my eyeshadow. And now I'm taking that same powder puff to clean up the contour. Next is blush, and I'm using the Lottie London blush in the shade Red Hot. And I'm using my Smith Glam SO42 brush to apply that. Now I'm gonna go back into my banana powder and just touch up the under eye area. The same brush that I used for nose contour in the Saniva shade in the Lovecraft Beauty palette, I'm just gonna put a little bit of that under my eyes. And this is just gonna give my eyes just a little bit more definition. Next, I'm going to set my face using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And I'm gonna gently pat my face with this puffer, so my face isn't like soaking wet. Look how glowy this base is. Moving on to lips, I'm using the Lottie London AM to PM lip liner in the shade Espresso. And next I'm going to use the Crayon Case Lip Gloss in Clean Kisses, and I'm just going to apply this to the center of my lips. And now I'm just going to use this clear lip gloss. And next I'm going to use this brush that I used to apply foundation, and I'm just going to use it to clean up my lips. So I just added some lashes, and next is highlighter. I'm using the Ofra highlighter in Glow Goals. And the brush that I use to set my under eyes, I'm going to use for highlighter. And next, I'm just taking a smaller brush. This is the Miss Glam Precise Eye E25 brush, and I'm going to use this for inner eye highlight. And I'm just going to take this clip out my hair. This is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.